Think you can't create amazing coloring books with Leonardo AI? Think again. With just a single smart prompt and a few creative techniques, you can generate high-quality, professional-looking coloring pages. Before we dive in, if you'd like to follow along or try Leonardo AI for yourself, make sure to check out the link in the description below. You can get started for free. No drawing skills needed. Leonardo AI allows anyone to become a coloring book designer right from their computer, and with just one thoughtful prompt, you can unlock endless variations and styles suitable for different ages and interests. Whether you're designing for kids, adults, or niche audiences, this process gives you total creative control over the style, complexity, and feel of your coloring pages. Creating engaging and printable line art doesn't require artistic training or expensive design software. What it does require is a basic understanding of prompt crafting, settings adjustment, and a vision for your target audience. With the right instructions, Leonardo AI becomes your personal illustrator, delivering results in minutes that would take hours or even days by hand. To begin, log in to the Leonardo AI website. Once you're in, choose the Image Generation option from the menu. This will take you to the main image generation workspace, where all the magic happens. The prompt we're using throughout this walkthrough is a cute cat sitting under a tree, black and white line art for coloring book, no background, no shading, clean outlines. It's a simple idea, but powerful in the hands of Leonardo AI. The phrase black and white line art clearly tells the AI to strip away all colors and focus entirely on strong outlines. For coloring book, reinforces that we want a printable, color-in-ready image. No background, no shading ensures that the results stay clean and free of distractions. And finally, clean outlines guarantees that the illustration will be crisp and easy to trace, which is essential for a successful coloring page. Before generating, make sure to use Color in the negative prompt section. To do this, go to the right-hand side panel in the Leonardo AI interface. Scroll down until you find the Advanced Settings section. Click to expand it and look for the negative prompt field. Enable it if it's not already active. Then simply type the word Color into that box. This tells Leonardo AI to avoid adding any unwanted hues or shading to your image, helping ensure that the output is pure black and white line art, perfect for coloring books. Next, in the same right-hand panel, find the Style section. From the drop-down menu, choose Illustration. This helps guide Leonardo AI to generate images with more drawn, line-focused characteristics rather than photorealistic or painterly styles. It reinforces that you want clean outlines and a look that's perfect for a coloring book. Let's begin with a baseline generation. Run the prompt exactly as it is. What you'll likely get is a delightful image of a cat in a peaceful pose beneath a stylized tree with detailed yet manageable line work. The tree might have gently curving branches, falling leaves, or a few tufts of grass around the trunk. The cat may be curled up, gazing upward, or mid-pose as if interacting with its environment. This version offers a solid, balanced layout, just enough detail to be interesting, but not too complex for a casual coloring session. It's the kind of page that would work well in a general-purpose coloring book for all ages. To tailor the design for younger children, you can modify the prompt slightly by adding phrases like simple shapes, fewer details, large areas. This guides the AI to minimize intricacy. Now, instead of hundreds of small leaves or tiny tufts of fur, you'll see broad, easily colorable spaces. The tree might be reduced to a smooth trunk with round, cloud-like leaves, and the cat could have big eyes and chubby paws drawn with bold, rounded strokes. It's still cute, but now it's more functional for very young kids who are developing motor skills and need larger areas to fill. Next, if you're aiming for a hand-drawn, slightly more artistic appearance, add hand-drawn style, loose lines, cartoon look to the prompt. This shifts the AI's approach to mimic the flow of pen or ink on paper. You'll notice the outlines might become slightly wavy, adding a sense of human imperfection and warmth to the image. The cat might appear in a more whimsical pose, and the tree could be styled like something from a storybook. It's perfect for books that want a more indie or handmade feel, perhaps a coloring zine or a nature-themed creative activity book. Now let's explore what happens when we focus on exaggerating the cuteness factor. Modify the prompt with chibi style, big eyes, rounded shapes, childlike proportions. This instructs the AI to reinterpret the cat in a stylized, cartoon-like format. The result is often a kitten-like character with an oversized head, tiny body, and endearing expression. Even the tree can become simplified into a softer, puffier version of itself. The page now feels more like something from a Japanese children's book or an anime-themed sticker set. It's an aesthetic that appeals strongly to fans of kawaii art, manga, or anything playful and character-driven. Alternatively, if you're going for charm without going full chibi, add super cute illustration, big head, small body, playful posture, soft lines instead. This style balances realism and stylization. The cat might be stretching, lying on its back, or gazing up at a bird in the tree. The tree itself might have a slightly more realistic structure, but still without shading or texture overload. This version works beautifully for pet-themed books, especially ones focused on mood, emotion, and personality rather than humor or exaggeration. For those looking to push creative boundaries, you can take the same core prompt in a very different direction. Add terms like psychedelic patterns, swirling lines, trippy design, abstract background. Now, the cat and tree begin to transform. Their shapes become infused with spirals, waves, and mesmerizing patterns. The cat's fur might feature concentric circles or geometric stripes, while the tree could stretch into fantastical, mind-bending curves. It's still black and white and still suitable for coloring, but the complexity increases and the image takes on a dreamlike, meditative quality. These pages are especially well suited for adult coloring books or anyone who enjoys detailed, surreal art. They also pair beautifully with mindfulness or stress relief themes. The real magic comes when you begin to experiment with blending styles. Try combining super cute illustration with hand-drawn style to give your cat both a soft, rounded appearance and sketchy texture. Or pair chibi style with psychedelic patterns for a trippy, adorable hybrid that's unlike anything else. Each blend brings a unique visual flavor, and you can easily generate multiple versions of the same subject to create a variety of coloring pages, all anchored by a single theme. Whether you're publishing on platforms like Amazon KDP, offering printable downloads on Etsy, distributing as digital freebies, or just creating for fun, this process is fast, flexible, and incredibly rewarding. Coloring book creation has never been more accessible. So fire up Leonardo AI, experiment boldly, and let your creativity turn a single prompt into a full-fledged artistic venture. If you'd like to follow along or try Leonardo AI for yourself, make sure to check out the link in the description below. You can get started for free. And that's it. Thank you for watching.